Kick-ass facts! Just stuff. Pew, 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 pew! Every year, toward the end of the year, the Times Square Visitor Center puts up a wishing wall where people write their hopes, wishes, and dreams for the new year on Post-it notes and stick them to the wall. When it's time for the ball to drop and the confetti to fly, these Post-it notes are included in the confetti that showers the city. If you can't make it to New York, but you still want your wishes to soar, you can submit them online by December 28th, print deadline every year. Research has shown that when you look into a loved one's eyes, specifically a romantic partner, your heartbeat and your breathing will sync up. It's called interpersonal synchronization, and it also accounts for that whole we finish each other's sentences. Your brainwaves and thought patterns start to link up too. In the 1890s, a few states passed laws prohibiting the sale or consumption of ice cream on Sundays. It was considered immoral and improper for religious reasons. That's weird. But ice cream lovers found a loophole, as they always do. Simply serve ice cream with toppings. The dessert became known as the sundae. Harvard psychologists have suggested that when dogs dream, they dream about their owners because their REM cycles and brain patterns are like ours. Meanwhile, cats probably dream about hunting prey based on one sleep study observation where a scientist turned off a part of a cat's brain that restricts movement during REM sleep. When they were dreaming and movement was not restricted, they'd get up, arch their backs, hiss, and pounce. In 2013, the first artificially reproduced human tooth was created in China. The researchers said the tooth-like structures had dental pulp, dentin, enamel space, and an enamel organ, but were not as hard as natural teeth. This wouldn't make them a viable way to grow teeth now, but future research may lead to that one day. The scientists were able to create the tooth using stem cells extracted from what? A, human urine, B, human placenta, C, dog teeth, or D, cat claws. The correct answer is A, human urine. Humans can't walk in a straight line without looking at something. If blindfolded, we eventually walk in a circle. Researchers placed children in a room with two food trays. Once the lids were lifted, one was revealed to have a sandwich on it and the other was totally empty. Every single time the experiment was repeated, the child who ended up with the sandwich decided to share it. Sharing is caring.